This will be a speed test between the iPhone XS Max or the iPhone XS Max versus the iPhone X or the iPhone X, whatever you want to call these phones. Now the XS Max, this one has the A12 Bionic chip and 4 gigs of RAM. The iPhone X has the A11 from last year, 3 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the iPhone X from last year. I was not expecting that. And we are in! There's nothing open in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. A little bit faster on the left. Messages, about the same. Camera, even. Clock on both phones. Start the stopwatch, leave that running in the background. Safari on both phones. Let's go ahead and do a search for GSM Arena on both. Let's go. Same performance on both so far. Scroll through this and let's go to the desktop version. Go. Looking at the progress bar, practically the same. Pinch to zoom. Leave that in the background. Open the calculator. Pretty much the same thing. App Store. Click on this one. Leave it right there. Amazon. A little bit faster on the left. Click on the deal of the day. Leave it on that page. eBay. Same on both. Click on this drone, leave it right there. NFL app. A little bit faster on the left. Click on this first one, leave it right there. Baseball app. About the same. Super Mario Run. And the iPhone X, way faster on this one. Wow, was not expecting that at all. Tap to begin. About the same when the game launches. Leave that running in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Berlin. And the A12 with the comeback. Tap to play. Leave that running in the background. Asphalt 9. Which one will be ahead? And give this to the XS Max. Tap the play button and we'll leave it right there. PUBG. A little bit faster on the XS. And give this to the A12. Fortnite. Give that to the XS Max. San Andreas, let's go. Looking at the progress bar, XS is out in front. Not by much though. As you can see, IG on both. Ooh, give that to the 10 from last year. And Snapchat, tie. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background. As you can see, now the XS Max has an extra gig of RAM, 4 gigs versus 3 on the iPhone X. Let's just see what happens right now. IG, San Andreas, ready to play. Fortnite, ready to play on both. Check out that Galaxy skin though, very nice. PUBG, good to go. Asphalt 9, And we have a reload on the 10. As you can see, Subway Surf. And we have another reload again on the right. Mario Run. Good to go on the XS Max, and the iPhone 10 is just starting to reload everything, it seems. This one's good to go. This one, good to go on both. eBay. A little bit faster on the left. Reload on the iPhone 10. Amazon, same place. Same place on the App Store. Calculator, good to go. Safari, still on GSM Arena. Clock on both. Still running the stopwatch. Camera. Maybe the 10 was faster actually. Messages. Was that a stutter on the XS Max? Phone app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this matchup. My fellow iSheeps, with the iPhone 10, are you gonna go ahead and upgrade, or did you already upgrade to the iPhone XS Max or the XS? Or are you gonna go ahead and stick with your existing phone, save a little bit of cash, and wait for next year's iPhone? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.